Wait, got one question. What hat is he wearing now? It's right here. And what's on his head? How do I do this exactly? Top. I wonder what I've seen in the movies. I'll bring some up, right? I watched someone the other day. This guy teleported. He went, and fire! And they teleported. And then seen this other guy. He just clapped. That's so pathetic, I swear down. So, seen this other one? Oh yeah. Awesome. Swear down, mate. Right. What is going on with my knickers? What is this strange instrument? Oh!
Back.
It's you!
Pick up the weapon.
Okay,
Your
I'll drop
training
this.
begins.
Oh my god!
Okay.
I guess I'm doing this. I'm doing it right.
Place the legs that I call them on our planet.
Legs?
Shall not be named into the string. Shoot. For Team Great Britain.
Okay. Get out of the way!
Ah!
Oh, sorry. I get angry sometimes.
Fire.
Not bad.
Your next shot. You want to fire 3.
Hey, I have to go get that one.
No. 1 at a time.
Ah,
I'm training you to get
oh,
better.
you said shot 3.
I want 30 points.
30.
Yes, you survive at 6.
Ah, that's quite good actually. That's actually decent. Alright, I'll put that one down.
You train, I'll be back later.
Okay, so I have to iron up. Oh, 10! You're on a 10! Excuse me. Okay. The next shot. I can't get the 10 now. Unless I remove it. We got it on camera. I'm not in good luck this time. What the hell?
You're ready.
Oh.
Take the bow and your stick.
Okay. That's good. Sorry, but I think a bit.
Granny Man is now ready for a battle against CN.